Hi, I'm Bishop Delroy Powell, the senior leader at the Sanctuary, home for the New Testament Assembly in Tooting. I do trust that this message finds you safe and well during these difficult and indeed trying times. We are all in this COVID-19 crisis together. And whilst we know that the coronavirus is indiscriminate in its reach, regardless of race, ethnicity, age, or gender, we do understand that there are some people, and this could be you, who have long-term underlying health conditions. For example, if you are someone with diabetes or a respiratory condition such as asthma or a cardiovascular disease like high blood pressure, you might want to consider doing things differently than normal. This is particularly true for those of us from the BAME community. This is why here at the New Testament Assembly, we have joined in partnership with our friends at the NHS Southwest London. They have developed a website which can offer you the help and support that you might need right now. You can access or visit their website by following the link in this video. There's something else I want to say. If you do not have any COVID-related symptoms, but you do have other health concerns, the NHS, hear me carefully, the NHS is still here for you should you need it. Do not allow things to get worse with the passing of time. GPs are offering mobile or telephone appointments to help to advise, give you advice, and to help to reduce the need for you to travel. Take advantage of that. You can, of course, also contact us here at the New Testament Assembly, and we'll be happy to help you with any further queries that you might have. In the meantime, thank you and stay well, stay safe, and stay informed.